Hello, guys. I'm sure you all know for your CA Inter for May 2025 exams, the game changer subject where whichever attempt student you are first or subsequent, you have to learn tax again because there are 100 plus amendments in tax. So all your old resources cannot be used. So you definitely have to take a new class. For that, I looked at the South Indian market and I saw, okay, who could be the best faculty I could give you for direct tax. And the only person I could remember is CA Rahul Agarwal sir. He would not be needing any introduction because he's been taking for so many years offline, but only now newly coming into online presence. So only one short video where I'm going to introduce him in the next 2 minutes, and Rahul sir himself towards the second half of this video will come and talk about his class. You have to watch this, guys, because many faculties have only theoretical experience. Correct? Let me talk about Rahul sir's practical experience in direct tax. In Deloitte, he was working as a tax team's manager for almost 2 to 3 years. I think actually more than that. And currently in a listed company with more than 60,000 employees, he heads the direct tax department. And also, I'm sure you all know CA book called Taxman Authors, correct? He is the author, or I would say he was the author of Taxman Direct Tax, but now he has his own material. With so much of practical and theoretical knowledge, Rahul Agarwal sir, who's been teaching for the last 4 to 5 years, offline classes, but now coming into online classes. We have a new batch as part of the CA classrooms subscription or individual subject. Fresh recordings taken in 2025 Jan and Feb, 100 to 120 hours of direct tax, 100% English, here and there Suma Apopo, some jokes in Tamil or Hindi, but concepts 100% in English. New color concept book. Nowadays students want color books, so we have color book with marking important amendments in red. And demo also is available. Please watch the demo. By now, if you have already watched the demo of Rahul sir on our channel, in comments you tell, I already watched sir. Now Rahul sir will come and take over. And for you, just to show, this is the website of CA Classroom where you can get direct tax alone separately or as part of the subscription Fusion or Inter, you will get it. Now over to Rahul sir to introduce about how the entire batch will be, what is going to be the style of learning. Enjoy learning from the best faculties. We call them as our lions, guys. Thank you.
Hey boys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to CA Inter. Your CA foundations and your direct entries are already through. You have experienced a part of the course and now you're getting into the real life scenario. Yes, you are at a phase where you're just trying to learn what this course is, but it comes with a power packed subject knowledge and you have to excel everything at the best possible journey. This brings me to the real important question. Are you really learning this course as it is supposed to be? Are you just focusing on the book, trying to understand what the book says and trying to go and vomit in the exams? Is it really exciting you as to what exactly does every subject mean and what exactly are you deriving out of the subject from a practical standpoint? Maybe not, right? Yes, here is me coming today to explain those few things for you. Briefly introducing myself, my name is CA Rahul Agarwal and I've been teaching this subject of direct taxes in CA Inter along with a few other subjects and other things which we'll discuss as we progress forward for the past 5 years. My brief background stands with me starting my CA journey in the year of 2015, completing my CPT, moving on to Inter in 2016, clearing that in the first attempt, doing my articleship in Deloitte in the field of direct taxation for 3 years, completing my CA final in 2019 at the first attempt, and then continuing my journey from 19 till today in the field of direct taxation. So almost about an enriching 9 years of experience in direct taxation, handling it during articleship and post qualification as well. Currently also I'm working in an MNC company managing the whole direct tax operations for a 4,500 crore turnover company. Yes, that is the brief profile, people. So basically this subject of direct tax is my day job as well as my night job. I do this completely throughout the day and it comes with a good amount of experience and understanding from my side. What exactly am I trying to achieve in this video, people? You will know in a few minutes. First things, what exactly do I handle in the CA curriculum? During your CA foundation, people, I'll be responsible for your quantitative aptitude. During a CA inter, I'll be responsible for a subject, a very exciting subject called income tax, which carry about 50 marks in your syllabus. And then during a CA final, you will be engaging me with your direct taxation paper for about 100 marks. This is what I handle at all the 3 levels. But yes, today's video is more specific to your CA inter friends. Your subjects relating to CA foundation and CA finals we will be discussing in a separate video. Watch out for those videos. You can subscribe to the channel in order to understand what is happening for those. Coming back to your CA inter people, what exactly am I specializing about? There are 3 things which students personally appreciate in all my sessions which I do with you. First, I am known to simplify the most complex of the provisions. Yes, this is what I specialize in the first instance. For those people who would have heard it from your seniors, probably have seen my videos in the past, one thing which I'm extremely important and critically think is that unless you understand what is happening, you will never get through it. You will never get through it. Mugging up provisions is never going to be the way to solve it, especially for a subject like direct tax. A subject like direct tax, ICAI really loves to test you things which you may have not even thought about. And therefore, knowing everything in the most simplest fashion is the first important thing, because unless you understand, you cannot proceed forward. Yes, so the first thing I love to do in the classes is to simplify the most complex of the provisions that you may not have been understood from a law perspective. That is what I like to do. How do I do it? We go into the depth of everything to understand what exactly was the intention when it was introduced. So more than asking what, we ask whys. The whole class is designed in a fashion that you only keep asking the why before the what, so that you understand what was the background, what was the history, and then how did you arrive at this position. Second, and that's the most irony part of it, I like to complicate things more than what it is. I like to complicate things more than what it is. Now you may think, Rahul, the first one is contradicting the second one. What exactly you're talking about? People, sometimes it's important that the smallest of the word is given a meaning, because a subject like direct tax, you and I both don't read from the perspective of knowing what the subject is. We always come with this one intention that we want to start avoiding taxes from day one. Yes, and therefore the smallest of the words which you may think may make sense is something which you don't know the answer to. Yes, and therefore for the things which are extremely complex, I will support you and make it simple, and for the things which you think is extremely simple, I will complicate it for you, just so that you now understand that yes, what does it mean to be a CA. That is what is my expertise on it, people. So at the same time, when I'm simplifying things, I'm also complicating it for you, so that you understand things at both perspectives and you're trying to manage it properly. Third, and the most critical thing which I am very famous for, people, is to keep all classes engaging and fun. Please get out of this notion, people, where people have this understanding that when it comes to a CA curriculum, you need to get into the class, have a boring faculty coming and standing before you, telling you that this is what it is, just mug up and go for your exams and you will clear the exams. No. Unless it is understood by you, you will never clear it. Even if you do clear it, you will not be the CA which you deserve to be, and people are not going to appreciate you. Yes, and therefore the first thing which I do in the class is to make sure that I come down to your level. We match the wavelength which you have with each other, and then we start discussing classes. So all examples given to you are more related to what you are going through at this point of time, the age which you are at, and the ways you will understand in the most simplest of the fashion is what we do. Sometimes examples may not even be related to what is the subject. They will be out of the book examples, so that you can relate that to the concept as well. Yes, so innovating examples is what I'm specializing upon, and that makes it a lot easier for me to get through your head and make you understand what is going around. Yes, that is the 3 things which I specialize about, and this is the 3 things why people appreciate all my classes. Why am I telling you all this, people? To clarify to you that we are very happy to announce you that the batches of the upcoming classes are done. The recordings are available, and we are happy to share it across with you in order to complete your preparations for your upcoming CA inter exams. Which classes am I talking about, people? The batch description goes as follows. We have recently just completed our recordings for your CA inter direct taxation for your May 25, September 25, and your Jan 2026 exams. No old recordings, people, because a subject like direct taxes keep amending laws, so we cannot keep giving you old laws and keep conflicting you on things. New fresh recordings just completed have been uploaded on the channels. You will be able to access all those and learn what is required for your exams. Completely amended as per Finance Act 2024 and Finance Act number 2 2024, along with any circulars and notifications which has been released until we completed the batch recordings as well. Completely applicable for May 25, September 25, and Jan 26, people. I'm restricting my lectures to only these 3. I'm not going beyond these 3, because you and I both understand amendments keep happening every Finance Act. After Jan 26, you will have a new Finance Act coming into picture, and therefore you will have new laws to discuss about. So therefore these lectures are only valid for 3 attempts. Beyond 3 attempts, you will have to move forward to a separate set of lectures. Last important thing is that all my lectures are going to be in 100% English. We are focusing on both the markets, the North market and the South market, more so for the reason, people, that you're going to write your papers in English, and therefore it is important that you learn the language as it is supposed to learn. Learning it from a different language and then trying to convert it into your fashion may not work out as appropriately for your exams, and therefore from day one we will discuss everything in English, pure English. But people, as much as you and I both understand, to keep you engaging in the classes, it is not always possible that we do English. Yes, and therefore my classes, while the concept may be in English, will have humor in various languages. I would be using Hindi, I would be using Tamil also for the purpose of building humor in the classes. But please don't worry if you don't understand the language. I can assure you that all provisions relating to the concepts will be done only in English. Humors will be used in different languages so that I can match your wavelength. If you understand it in the class, perfect. If you don't understand it, don't worry, it is not syllabus related. You don't have to worry about it. You can focus on the classes. But from a subject perspective, everything is going to be in 100% English. That is my guarantee to you. Yes, what exactly will we be doing in the classes, Rahul? When it comes to CA Inter, people come and tell me that ICA has given a big lengthy 500 pages material and all, and you have to use that material for your exams. Absolutely not. Definitely not. People, a subject like direct access can get overwhelming when you start doing it from the study material. Bulky 1000 books and all, 4 modules, 5 modules, using it together, trying to figure out what is happening will not work out for your exams. Even if you understand the subject, you will not be able to clear it for your exams. And therefore, the one thing which I am extremely proud about sharing with you is our Taxation 101 Rankers editions, people. The Taxation 101 Rankers edition, the edition which is prepared by me, has 4 items inside it: the concept guide, the MCQ guide, the solutions guide, and the cheat sheet. 4 simple things made in the beautifulest fashion. You have all colors everywhere, all designs everywhere, understanding things which can make it a lot more simpler. Simplest of the English used for the most complex of the provisions so that you can understand things better, all covered in that 4 things. Further discussions on this in a separate video so that you understand every topic one by one. I would not like to consume too much information in this video itself. So we'll have a separate video which will clarify what exactly are the 4 items and how can you avail those benefits as well. Taxation 101 Rankers edition is not me coming and telling you that this is the book for the rankers. This is me coming and clarifying to you that using this book, anyone can become a ranker. Anyone can become a ranker, and this would be given to you for absolutely no extra charge, along with the batch which you are going to avail from me. But yes, people, is our journey only till what you see me in the classes? Definitely not. I would also ensure that for all the students who are watching me online, who are going to see recording sessions and everything, are kept engaged at appropriate times, and therefore you will have regular doubt solving sessions with me. You can always reach out to me on my WhatsApp number, which will be available in your books as well as when you purchase the lectures, so that whenever you have any doubts, you can feel free to reach out to me. If the doubt is too complex, I will either record a video and share it across with everyone so that everyone can enjoy it, or I will try my level best to have a call arranged with you so that we can discuss it together. Yes, but the doubt solving session will also be taken care of. But beyond that, people, it is also extremely critical that I keep you engaged till the very end of your completion of CA Inter. And therefore, as soon as you buy the recordings, people, whether you purchase my recordings, whether you don't purchase my recordings, whether you buy my books, whether you don't buy my books, my channel is available for everyone to use. Yes, regular videos will be uploaded on the channels starting this year so that everyone can have a better understanding of what is going on. In this videos, we'll be discussing more strategic things relating to your RTPs which ICI launches, your MTPs which ICI launches, the recent papers which has been written for your past exams, so that you can also understand the flow of ICI's pattern and how much you have been able to link to it. Our marathon series, where we will try our level best that we will complete the whole subject of direct tax, which may take around 100 and 120 hours to complete in a full-fledged manner. We will now try to summarize it, skim it off, and only discuss the provisions in a meager matter of 7 to 20 hours, depending on whether we solve questions or don't solve questions. If you take the marathon series with just the provisions, it may be around 7 hours. If you take it along with sums and all, it may be around 20-25 hours. That is what the whole plan of action is. And finally, exam tips, tricks and strategies for a subject like direct tax. How should you be approaching it for your exams? What should be your preparation strategies and everything will also be discussed in this videos. Beyond this, people, there may also be some videos in case we want to clarify something about your circulars and notifications, your updates which has come post the completion of batch, any other further things which you need to be understanding carefully, some provisions, some adjustments which you may miss out for your exams and you should be specifically careful about. All those things will also be sent across in videos. So the channel is going to be completely kept open for everyone's benefit and use. So please ensure that you subscribe to the channel so that you get regular updates on what is happening from my side. this is a small video which for me to discuss what the batches are for all the students who are planning to write their CA Inter exams for May 25, September 25 and Jan 26. Feel free to use this opportunity and avail the maximum benefits which you can for the subject. I can assure you that by the end of the batch you will have a master on the subject. You will learn subject more than what you would have expected to learn from any other material which you have in your hand, because subject is now going to become more exciting to understand rather than to mug up. Yes, that is the one promise which I can give you. By the end of the batch, you will itself come back to me and tell me that you have learned the subject in the manner you could have never thought about. That is one promise I'm taking you from today, people. I will see you all very soon in the CA Inter classes. Hoping to see you all very soon in CA final as well, as soon as you complete this batch and move forward to your further exams. Any doubts, feel free to reach out to me on my WhatsApp number, which is 733-8923-295, and you can discuss with me on how you want to avail the classes, how you can grab attention of the books, and what are the different modes in which you can have the sessions recorded with me. Yes, that is all for today, people. I would love to see you all very soon. Hoping to see you all in the most fashionable manner in which you want to see me in the classes. Yes, that is all from my side. See you. Take care.